Hello and welcome back to our video course on how to generate quality content quickly using AI tools. Now we're about to get started into the real substance of the video course, which is we're going to create an article from scratch using the ChatGPT AI tool that we discussed in the previous video. So, as I mentioned in the previous video also, I run an online course which is about content management. So basically how to manage your content effectively. It's a free course. I've spent over a year writing all of the content for the site, all of the lessons. And now I want to start adding articles to the blog about content management, how to manage content effectively. All websites need content, all content needs management. So these are the kind of articles that, I write fairly comprehensive, detailed articles. So I'm not kind of expecting the AI tool to deliver me something like this, but I want to see what, can I create something of substance quickly using an AI tool? Is it quality? Is it something that I'd be proud to put my name to it? And so what we're going to do is we're going to go into the tool and we're going to basically try and create from scratch a draft article that I would then be able to publish on the site. The idea being that it would save me a lot of time in content research and content writing, and let's see how we go. So we're going to get straight into it. We're going to get into the ChatGPT main screen, into the software tool. I'm just going to clear this conversation here. So we start from a brand new empty blank canvas. Okay, I've set up the timer. So what we're going to do now is the first step is we're going to ask ChatGPT to generate ideas for articles on effective content management. So let's start the timer. Let's ask it the question. Generate 10 ideas for articles on effective content management. Let's hit enter. Wow, okay. So that was around 20 seconds and it's given me 10 ideas. Let's have a look. The importance of a content management strategy, how to create a content calendar, tips for organizing and storing content effectively. Okay, these are all pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these and I'm going to paste them in my article file. Okay, now here's the interesting thing. Let me just save this. I can ask ChatGPT to regenerate the response. So let's do that and let's just see what it comes up with. So I'm going to start the timer again, click the regenerate response, and let's see what happens. Okay, so in about 30 something seconds, it's given me another 10 ideas and top tools for effective content management, the role of SEO in a strong content management plan. Very good. I'm going to copy this, paste it in my little file here, save it. Let's go again. And this time I'm going to ask for generate 10 ideas for articles on effective content management with a brief description. Yeah, so I'm going to start the timer. Oh, let me reset. Or maybe I didn't reset it the last time. Okay, I'm going to start the timer and click the enter button. So let's go again. Oh, okay, it's actually giving me what the article is about. So basically give me a tiny little brief and some direction. And looks like we're going to be just done. 42 seconds. Okay, but this time, as you can see, it's actually given me the headlines. And so 5 tips for streamlining your content management process. This article could cover practical tips for improving efficiency in the content management process, such as automating tasks, utilizing project management tools, and setting clear guidelines for content creation. Very good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to copy what it's given me here. So thank you very much, ChatGPT. Let's add this to the little file and save it. And I'll add, so 42 seconds. Let's go into our content ideas for articles. And let's add, say, 45 seconds. Okay, so the first step of a draft article writing was asking ChatGPT to generate some content ideas. It's done that. I think it's actually done it very impressively. It's given me some article tips, some article ideas, and it's actually given me a little bit of a description on what the article can be about. So very good. So now in the next video, we're going to choose one of these topics, and then we're going to start to build our draft article on the topic, on the chosen topic. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.